Yeah, and WTC Mall again. This is the Pop and Play indoor playground for kids. See, I show you. Oh, all Lego. Mostly the kids playing here is when they celebrate birthday. This is indoor playground for small kids. See, there. Huh? The toy inside is all original Lego. Hey guys, happy weekend. Have a great weekend. Hey, today is Sunday. It's a family day. Enjoy your day with your family. Here, it's good. They already open. So I need to buy something here. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, give a comment, suggestion, and don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.